We all seem to be short on time during the holidays, but no worries, all the projects in today's video will only take you about 5 minutes to create. Hi everyone, my name is Shannon and I want to welcome you here to the Cozy Christmas Cottage. All these projects are also going to be budget friendly using supplies like this one from the Dollar Tree. I love these wood frames because the back pops out of them like a regular picture frame so that we can create with the inside and don't have to mess with the outside. We're also going to have to pop this little flower off the front. It does have that 3D effect in there. Get all the adhesive off, and then we're going to trace around a piece of craft paper. Since it's really hard to get the paper off the backing of these, we're just going to cover it up. We also want to neutralize it so this craft paper works perfectly. I just trace the size of the backing onto the paper and use scissors to cut it down to size. We're going to use a tape runner, or you can use some stick glue. I like this tape runner though, and I'll link it down below for you. Because it's mess free, it's not going to be drippy, and it's good and sticky. It's perfect for paper crafting like this one. So we're just basically putting that craft paper right on the backing, neutralizing it, and then I have a free printable for you. Is this not the cutest thing? So all you have to do is head down to the description box below, click the link, and it will take you to a free printable. I did go ahead and print this out on some regular white cardstock to make it a little bit thicker. And then you can use scissors or a paper trimmer to trim it down to size. Now that this is cut down to size, we can add it to the backing using some more of that tape runner adhesive, just placing this and centering it on the backing and reinserting it into our frame. And just in less than 5 minutes, we have a cute letter to Santa Claus art piece that you can use throughout your home during the holiday season. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoy these free printables. If I see lots of thumbs up, I'll be creating more for you in the future. Now we're going to make some quick and easy paper bows that are perfect for the tops of your gifts. And we're going to take a piece of 8.5 by 11 decorative cardstock and cut it in half lengthwise at 4¼ inches. Then take that one strip and we're going to fold that in half lengthwise again so that our longer sides are touching down the center and the shorter sides are creased in half at the top and the bottom. Now, if you have double-sided paper, you do not have to do this step. We just want to make sure that we have decorative print on both sides of our strip. We're also going to make sure we have good creases here, so coming in with a popsicle stick or this squeegee helps to make a good crease for us. And then we're going to open it back up, add some of that adhesive to the inside of this and refold it in half so that we have one strip that has a decorative print on both sides. Next, take that bottom edge and fold it up to the top edge so that the edges meet at the top and our fold is at the bottom. Again, you want to make a good crease here, so use a popsicle stick or something and make sure we have a good crease at the bottom. Keep it this way so our fold is at the bottom and the opening is at the top. Take a good pair of scissors and we're going to come in and create sort of, I feel like it's a vase shape, like a bud vase shape. So we're kind of creating a rounded bottom up to a point in the center and then kind of creating a diagonal cut to the end points. So when you open it up, it will look like this. Now take your scissors, make a little slit on one end where those points come together, flip it over, repeat the same thing on the other end, and then we're going to put those slits together so they intersect and interlocked on the other side. Then you're going to pull those tails apart, grab the center of the top, and then you're going to add a little hot glue in there and press the center down to the base where the flaps are and hold that until it dries. Now, I'm sure that was a mouthful, but once you do this once or twice, I promise you will have it down pat, and it'll only take you maybe 1 or 2 minutes at max to make these. I wanted to speed this up and show you one more time how quick and easy this really is. Do you have a favorite Christmas movie? I know there are so many to choose from. It's hard to pick just one, but let me know what yours is down in the comments below. I definitely hope you give this a try. You can even kind of start out using some scrap paper until you get comfortable with it. You can also embellish these with buttons. I found these on Amazon and I'll link them down below for you. Just a cute extra added touch, and you don't necessarily have to even use cardstock for this. You could even use wrapping paper and make your bows match your wrapping paper. How cute would that be? I hope you all, like I said, give this one a try. Next, we're going to make a really cute gingerbread ornament. So the gingerbreads are from Hobby Lobby, and the cutting board I cut with my M1 laser cutting machine, but I did find very similar ones on Etsy, and I'll link them down below for you because I think this would be so cute to make like a grandma's grandkids ornament or one for your family, and then you add all of the different gingerbread men to the ornament based on how many people are in your family, because it really is as easy as just sticking the gingerbread men right onto the wood cutting board. I decided to embellish it a little bit more with some ribbon, tied a simple little bow and hot glued that onto the top, and then to turn it into an ornament I have some red and white baker's twine that I added to a little hole on here. And how cute is this? I think it would be cute, obviously, as an ornament, but it's even adorable tucked into this tiered tray. Use it for the tops of ornaments, hang them off of gift bags. Sky's the limit with this one, and it was so quick to do. Now we're going to use 2 Dollar Tree finds to make this next project a wood slice ornament, and also one of these chunky wood decorative pieces you can find in Crafter's Square. We're going to take both of those and we're going to paint them with some white chalk paint. Magic of television, or YouTube in this case. Already painted, dried, and now we're going to take a drill and we're going to drill holes into the bottom of the chunky decorative piece and also right into the center of our wood slice. We're going to make the cutest little candy cane lane sign. Wait till you see what I used for the stick for this. But first, we're going to decorate our sign with some vinyl. I do have this in my Cricut profile, so I'll link that down below for you. If you have a Cricut machine, you can head down there, click that, and find it and download it so you can use it too. If you don't have a Cricut machine, grab out your paint pens, grab out a paintbrush, and create your own design. That works too. Adding a little bit of embellishment here from Hobby Lobby accessories. And then this is a plastic candy cane. I used these in a previous video, so I had some left over. I thought this would be so perfect for the stick for this sign. Just used some hot glue to attach them into both wood pieces so it would stand up. I love this. I think I'm really going to do a red and white and gold Christmas tree this year in the she shed. Hint, hint. And I think this may become part of that decor, so I'm excited about that. Not only is this project really quick and easy, but it would also be super fun for anybody at any age. We're going to use some fabric paint and some cookie cutters to stamp some fabric napkins. So of course you want to go ahead and iron out your fabric napkins first so they lay flat for you. Take your fabric paint and add them to a plate in about the shape of the cookie cutter that you're going to be using, because obviously we just need that outside edge. It helps to also take a popsicle stick and kind of smear it out before then adding your cookie cutter to the paint. Just make sure you kind of tap it around, make sure all the edges have enough paint on them, and then very carefully take it over to your napkin and just kind of place it on there just like a regular stamp. Press it down, kind of tap the edges, don't wiggle it or else it'll smear, and pull it straight back up and you will have a beautiful stamped silhouette design. For the Christmas trees, I did a very random pattern, so there was really no rhyme or reason to this. I just kind of twisted them and spaced them out so it just looked very cute and random, kept it simple. The other cookie cutter that I used was a candy cane. So as I started adding these in more of like a regular pattern, I just kind of lost sight that these were candy canes at all. They just kind of looked like a noodle or something to me. So I did go ahead, take the extra time and a paintbrush and painted in some lines for these candy canes to really make them look more Christmassy than like a weird noodle. So you really can get as fancy with these as you want, but the actual part of just stamping those cookie cutters takes no time at all. So if you want to keep it simple, this is quick and easy. You do want to let these dry for a few hours before you use them to let that fabric dry cure. but these obviously make super cute napkins for your Christmas dining room table, your tablescapes, but I have another idea for you using these as well. So you can also use these napkins for reusable gift wrap. How great is that? So you put your gift right in the middle, pull all the sides up in the corners to the top, add a bow, add a tag, and you can use this gift wrap year after year. I'm sure you're looking for even more easy 5-minute Christmas crafts that you can create. I have more popping up on your screen. All you have to do is click one of those photos, head on over, and I will see you there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.